Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome avatar to a custom picture into your Google Chrome. You can see here is my profile picture into my Google Chrome, and here you can see this avatar. So we are going to change both these two in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to come over into your Google account over here. You can see, just click on that and then go for manage your Google account. So click on that. After that, you just need to go into the left side called personal info. Click on that, and then here you are in personal info. And now you just need to come over at the profile picture section and come over here, click on that. And if you want to change, click on change, and I will going to give this one into my profile avatar. You can see. And now if you want to change the background, you can do. I was going to change it like this. Click next and save as a profile picture. So click on that, and after a little bit of time, if you can see that your profile picture now set it over here, but you can see here it is not changed. So if you refresh it, you can see here it is changed, but in here in the avatar section it's not changed yet. Just click on that and go for sign in on, and then here you just need to click on turn off. Click on turn off. And now if you just need to sign in again time, after completing the verification, you can see your avatar is changed over here like this. So this is how you can change Google Chrome avatar to a custom picture. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.